Welcome to this comprehensive overview of Coinit, a global cryptocurrency exchange that caters to traders worldwide. Coinit stands out with its sleek, user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools, making it a top choice for crypto enthusiasts. To get started, you'll first need to sign up and create an account. Once you've registered, Coinit gives you access to a variety of features, including spot trading, where you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies in real time. The exchange also offers futures trading, which allows you to speculate on the future price of digital assets. This is particularly useful for traders looking to capitalize on price movements. With margin trading, Coinit enables users to borrow funds to amplify their trading positions, increasing the potential for profit, though it's important to remember that margin trading also comes with increased risk. Another key feature is Coinit's advanced order types, such as stop-limit orders, which help you manage risk by automating your trades based on preset conditions. You could also track your portfolio and monitor the market with real-time charts and data. The platform supports a wide variety of cryptocurrencies, including popular assets like Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and USDT, as well as a range of altcoins. Coinit's security measures are robust, with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and other protective features to ensure your funds are secure. The exchange also provides competitive fees that are structured to be affordable for both small traders and large institutions. Now, speaking of crypto assets, did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. Coinit also provides a mobile app for those who prefer trading on the go, which replicates the full functionality of the desktop version. The exchange's customer support is available to assist with any issues you might encounter, and you can reach out to them via live chat or email. With a clean, intuitive interface and a host of powerful tools, Coinit is a great choice for anyone looking to get involved in cryptocurrency trading. For more tips, and to stay up to date with the latest features on Coinit, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give us a like.